Welcome to all you budding learners. Students, the grammar topic you will be learning about today is indeed an important one. You know that sentences in English language are made up of different words. Some of these words refer to people, places, animals, and birds, and even things or objects. Such words constitute an important part of speech in English grammar called nouns. It therefore becomes important for you students to learn all about this very important part of speech in detail. Let's start. As you learned, a noun can be defined as a word used as a name for a person, place, animal, or thing. It can also describe an abstract idea. A noun is called a naming word. Let's read the given passage to understand more about nouns. Frederick, the King of Prussia, one day rang the call bell and nobody answered. He then opened his door and found his servant fast asleep in a chair. He advanced towards him and was going to awaken him. Suddenly, he saw a letter hanging out of his pocket. He gently took it out and read it. In it, his mother had thanked her son for sending her a part of his wages to help in her misery and hardship. She had finished by telling him that God would reward him for his dutiful affection towards her. The king's eyes were moist with tears. He softly went back to his chamber, took a bag of coins, and slipped it with the letter into the servant's pocket. In this passage, you can find out many nouns that have been used. Words like Frederick, king, servant, mother, son, God have been used to talk about different people. Words like Prussia, chamber refer to places. Similarly, words like bell, door, pocket, wages, bag, coins, tears, eyes, letter, and chair are names of different objects, whereas an abstract idea is shown by using terms such as misery, hardship, and affection. Hence, all these words come under the category of nouns. Next, you will be learning about the types of nouns. Nouns can be classified in various ways. Look at the tree diagram to understand the various kinds of nouns. Let's start off with concrete nouns. A concrete noun names things that we can see, hear, smell, touch, and taste. It also occupies space. All concrete nouns can be categorized under four main types. 1. Proper nouns. 2. Common nouns. 3. Collective nouns. 4. Material nouns. Let's learn about the first type, that is, proper nouns. A proper noun is the name of a particular person, place, or thing. The first letter of such words is always written in a capital letter. Proper nouns can be A. Names of people. For example, Alexander, Akbar, Birbal, Abdul Kalam, Narendra Modi. B. They could also be names of countries, their capital cities, and their people, towns. For example, India, New Delhi, Indians, Amravati. C. Proper nouns also refer to names of buildings and monuments. For example, the Qutub Minar, the Taj Mahal, the pyramids, the Eiffel Tower. D. The names of months and the days of the week are also referred to as proper nouns. For example, January, February, December, Monday, Friday, Sunday. E. You would have noticed that names of oceans, rivers, seas, mountains, etc. are also written with a capital letter at the start. These are also called proper nouns. For example, the Indian Ocean, the Ganges, the Arabian Sea, the Himalayas. F. Lastly, names of books, movies, festivals, institutions, organizations, etc. also refer to particular names, hence, they also come under this category. For example, Harry Potter, the Twilight series, Diwali, Christmas, the Holy Family School, and the United Nations Organization. Let's move on to the second kind of nouns, common nouns. A common noun refers to names of persons, places, or things in general. This means that when we want to talk about people, places, animals, or things in general, we should use common nouns. Look at the examples below. A. When we use words like king, man, woman, mother, father, teacher, nurse, soldier, etc., we are referring to people in general. These are common nouns. B. Similarly, we use common nouns to refer to places like garden, road, school, zoo, hotel, restaurant, etc. C. Animals like dog, lion, cat, etc. also come under this category. D. Lastly, any things or object like book, pen, pencil, chair, table, key, lock, stone, etc. are also common nouns. Now that you have understood the concept of proper and common, you will learn about the nouns that are used to represent a collection of things. A collective noun is the name of a group of persons or things belonging to the same kind. They are considered as one complete whole. For example, a bundle of sticks, a fleet of ships, a chain of mountains, a gang of thieves, a crew of sailors, an army of soldiers. All these words, bundle, fleet, chain, gang, crew, and army, refer to a collection of different nouns such as sticks, ships, mountains, thieves, sailors, soldiers, etc. Hence, all of these terms are called collective nouns. In order to learn more about different collective nouns, carefully read the entire table given in your book. Next, let's learn about what material nouns are. A material noun is the name of a material from which many things are made. We often say, the piece of furniture is made of wood. This jewelry is made of pure 24-karat gold. In these sentences, the words wood or gold are the materials with which the furniture or jewelry is made. Thus, these are material nouns. Other examples are wood, water, gold, sand, milk, sugar, cotton, wool, etc. We often use words while writing or conversing that shows an idea or quality or even the state of a particular thing. These words come under the category of abstract nouns. An abstract noun names an idea or a quality or a state. An abstract noun cannot be seen, heard, smelt, touched, or tasted. It can only be felt or experienced. We feel a range of emotions like happiness, sadness, excitement, joy, passion, etc. All of emotions that you cannot touch or see can definitely be felt, hence they are abstract nouns. For example, laughter, sorrow, joy, pride, shame, loyalty, health, etc. Students, we have now discussed all the kinds of nouns and how they are used. There are many interesting activities given in your books that are related to these concepts. You can attempt the related exercises given. In the next couple of chapters, we will learn more about different concepts associated with nouns.